What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, I want to talk about, can you be a travel agent from home? And to start things off, the answer to your question is yes. You too can be a travel agent from home. And now, I think it's a easier time to become a travel agent from home more than anything now. Especially with the internet and different host agencies and companies and opportunities that can get you in the right direction. Now, here's the reason why I want to share with partnering with a host agency. Number one benefit is you can become a travel agent from home easily with a host agency because all of the legwork has been done for you, okay? When it comes to having your own website, and yes, you're going to need a travel website to book your clients. That's done for you, okay? Training, access to vendors, everything is step-by-step laid out for you to point you in the right direction. So you have access to all the major vendors, all the cruise lines, all the top flights, everything dealing with the travel industry, you have access to it up under a host agency. Now, I want to recommend a company that I've been with, and it's been a blessing to me because I'm new to the travel industry and I didn't know what direction to go in to become a travel agent. But guess what? I was in the got involved with this opportunity, and I followed the step-by-step instructions, and I became certified as soon as I enrolled. And that's the good thing about becoming a partner with a host agency, because as soon as you enroll with a host agency, you are automatically up under their umbrella and you become immediately ready to book and sell travel. Okay, you can start earning commissions right away. There's ongoing training to further your education in the travel industry, but there's no specific exam you have to take to get certified. As long as you partner with a host agency, you immediately become certified because you're up under the host umbrella, and you can branch out and do your own thing. There's also, like I said, training and courses you can take to further your education to make sure you become the best travel agent ever. Okay, the more education, the more you learn, and guess what? The more you earn. So I recommend it, guys. If you're serious about becoming a travel agent from home, yes, you can do this, and you will need training, but guess what? There's options for you, okay? I want to recommend the company that I've been with. They can point you in the right direction, especially if you're new. And don't get overwhelmed trying to do all this on your own. You need to have some type of guidance, and I recommend a host agency because they can point you in the right direction, because being new and you don't know where to go, you can be all over the place, and you don't want to research all over the place and put all the pieces of the puzzle together when it's already done for you. Okay, so all the legwork has been done for you. You can just come in, plug in, learn, and start earning commissions right away. Have your website up and running within minutes. Okay, so yes, you can become a travel agent from home. So if that's something you're looking to do, I want to share an opportunity with you by clicking the link below. There's a video that I want you to watch, a presentation that can get you started in the home-based travel industry. You can search your own host agency, okay, your own travel business, I'm sorry, and you can get started quick. Okay, so we got tons of support, got private groups that can point you in the right direction, so you're not in business by yourself. Okay, you have a team of individuals doing the same thing and willing to help you on your way up. Okay, guys, so remember to click that link, watch the free presentation. It's going to educate you more on how you can become a travel agent from home and build a travel team. Yes, residual income. Okay, so if you got any questions, please leave a comment. Remember to click that link below. I will see you guys on the other side. Watch that presentation, and let's go get it. All right, future home-based travel agents, let's get it. Bye-bye.